everyone, Jen and John here with the Genuine Home Experts. Today we're diving into a question that I get asked all the time. What's the difference between a mortgage broker and a lender? Whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're looking to refinance, knowing the difference can help you make smarter decisions. So let's break it all down.
First, let's talk about mortgage brokers. A mortgage broker acts as a middleman between you, the borrower, and multiple lenders. Think of them as a matchmaker who shops around to find the best loan products that suits your needs. They don't actually lend you the money, but they help you find the best options.
Brokers have an access to a variety of loan products from multiple lenders. So they'll gather your financial information, credit score, income, assets, and debts, and then they're going to compare the loan offers from different lenders to help you find the best interest rates and terms. The key here is that they provide you with a range of choices.
Now, a lender is a company or financial institution that actually gives you the money for your mortgage. This could be a bank, credit union, or an online mortgage company. Unlike a broker, a lender directly works with you throughout the loan process and eventually provides the funds to buy your home.
Lenders make their money by charging you interest on the loan. You'll deal with them directly for the application, underwriting, approval, and payments after closing. This can be a simpler process if you're comfortable with their terms because you're dealing with just one entity instead of several. So, what are the pros and cons of using a mortgage broker versus a lender? Let's break that down too.
A mortgage broker can save you a lot of time because they do the legwork of comparing different loan options for you. They may also be able to find better deals or loan products that aren't available directly to consumers. However, they do charge a fee, which can be a percentage of your loan amount and be built into your loan's closing costs.
The downside is that some brokers might push you towards loans that benefit them financially but aren't necessarily the best fit for you. So it's essential to work with someone you trust and always ask plenty of questions.
With a lender, the process can be straightforward. You're working directly with the company that's giving you the loan, which can reduce some costs. Lenders may also offer incentives for working with them directly.
The drawback here is that you're limited to the loan products that the lender offers. You'll need to do your own comparison shopping if you want to ensure that you're getting the best deal. So which option is right for you, a mortgage broker or a lender? Well, it really depends on your situation.
If you have the time and knowledge to shop around, going directly with a lender might save you some money. However, if you want access to a wide range of options and someone who can guide you through the complexities of the mortgage process, a broker might be worth the cost.
At the end of the day, both mortgage brokers and lenders play essential roles in helping you secure financing for your home. The best choice really depends on how much legwork you want to do yourself and how personalized you want your loan search to be.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions understanding the buying process or need help with your home buying journey, drop them in the comments below or reach out to us directly.
Until next time, happy house hunting!